I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Google Payments profile country and the Play Store country because purchases fail when mismatched. Sign into Payments. Google.com and check the country field. Update only if eligible. Next, add a payment method valid in the target country, local card, or Google Play balance, because Google validates region against payment instruments. Once done, enable a stable VPN to the target country before changing region to avoid location checks. Make sure you understand the account limits and 1-year change rule. Now you change the Play Store country using the built-in country switch. Open Play Store, go to Account, then Country and Profiles. Choose the target country option that appears when VPN and payments align. Google will prompt you to add a local payment method. Do that immediately since it confirms the change. If the option does not appear, clear Play Store cache and data, then restart the app and re-establish VPN. Once visible, follow the prompts carefully and do not skip payment verification steps. Finish by testing a small purchase to verify that buying is allowed in the new country. You should see local prices and payment acceptance. If you don't, remove and re-add the payment method and retry with VPN active, since recent payment tokens might be cached. If problems persist, contact Google support and provide payment ID and profile details. One key troubleshooting tip: if Google still blocks purchases, wait 24 hours after changing country and retry. Sometimes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.